Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm a Misfit. Welcome to another edition of Meet a Misfit, where we are going to introduce you to Damo. So come and check out what he has to say about how collective art helped him choose his greatest passion in life and become the garden and landscaping extraordinaire.
Hey, I'm Damien, and I'm a Misfit. I come from England, a small little town called Bury St Edmunds, and I came across the Misfits team about 3 years ago. Being part of the Misfits team has helped me choose and go for things in life, because I'm just surrounded by inspiration and inspiring people all the time that are doing super cool things. So I used to have these inspirations and drive to do things, but they would come in fits and starts. There was one point in my life where I wanted to draw. I didn't really have an inspiration of what to draw, so I started in the middle, and I was planning on doing a kind of mandala. I would do it on and off, sometimes up to 2 years it would take me to actually finish one. But now my confidence has grown in my abilities, so if I have an idea or an inspiration for something, I decide how to get it going, and I'll just go for it, start to finish.
I'm almost there, eh? Almost there. A few arms, a few hands left, a few finishing touches. A big axe.
Before I found Misfits, I was mostly traveling a lot, so I was moving from place to place. I didn't really have a solid base.
Seeing what great things we could do sculpting over time and making impressive projects happen, that motivated me in other areas of my life as well.
So now my main job and inspiration, I'm the gardening and landscaping manager, and that's where my biggest inspiration lies, because I set an intention a couple of years ago to work the land and transform it into a magical paradise. The gardening for me is super fulfilling. It's ever changing, it's getting better and better and better all the time. And it's inspiring me more and more and more, especially now we're kind of a couple of years down the line from when I started. From planting little sticks, now I have plants that are almost trees, that are covered in flowers. At times it keeps me up at night, because sometimes I'm just firing ideas left, right and center. And I have to say, it's the first time that I remember in my life getting to Saturday night and wishing it was Monday so I could get back out there and transform some more.
Give us a smile.
The skills and the knowledge I've gained is ridiculous compared to the past. All the things I would dream of doing, sculpting being one of them, they've all come true. So now if I have a vision of something, be it anything, I could want to build a barbecue or a pond with a waterfall or any kind of water feature, anything I could think of using these mediums, I know I could do it. I know I could just make it.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.